Hi children! Yes, today I am at school and I'm still playing Halloween games. Today we're going to see if you remember what things all Halloween characters can do. Let's do this, okay? Look at the sentences. If I wear a... we don't know. Oh, can you see? We have this beautiful roulette with all Halloween characters. And inside all these coffins, we have words that can point actions that the characters do or don't do. Okay? Show us who are we playing with. Oh, okay. A scarecrow. If I wear a scarecrow, I could what? Let's just open this coffin here. Oh, I could fly. If I were a scarecrow, I could fly. No. Scarecrows never fly, never move. Yeah, that's not the word. Go back into the coffin. Okay, let's open this other one. Oh, what is it saying? Ah, yes, can you read it? If I were a scarecrow, I could wear a hat. I could wear a hat. So we have one. Great. Let's keep playing with the roulette. Another character. Okay. A mummy. Ooh, if I were a mummy, I could. What could we do? I don't know. Let's open this. I could do magic. I don't think so. Mummies don't do magic. No, that's not okay. All right. Let's open another coffin. Okay, this one here. Oh, I could clean everything with my towels. Okay, that's fun. Yeah, you could. Actually, you could. Yeah, because it's full of towels and toilet paper. So he could clean up everything. Okay, so that is correct. What else? Another character. Oh, a magician. If I were a magician, okay, I think I know. Inside the first coffin, right? Remember? Let's open it. I could fly. Yes, easy, correct. Wizards, magicians, and witches can do everything. They fly and do a lot of magic. I love that.
Do you want to keep learning with us? Download our worksheets and keep practicing. We have a full method to learn all type of structures in English. Check the description below for more content.